Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a church using popsicle sticks. First, gather your materials. You'll need about 100 to 150 standard popsicle sticks. Also, have strong craft glue or a hot glue gun ready. Prepare a flat, sturdy base, roughly 6 by 8 inches, for your church. Don't forget small decorative elements like tiny beads or paper cutouts for windows and doors. Now let's start building the walls. Begin by laying 2 popsicle sticks parallel on your base. Then, glue 2 more sticks perpendicularly across their ends, forming a small rectangle. Continue layering sticks, alternating directions, to build up the wall height. Remember to leave openings for your main door and any windows you plan to include. This creates a sturdy, box-like structure. Next, we'll add the roof and steeple. For the roof, create 2 triangular frames using sticks, then connect them at the top. Cover these frames with overlapping popsicle sticks to form the roof surface. For the steeple, build a small, square tower base. Gradually taper the sticks inward as you build upwards, then cap it with a pointed top for that classic church look. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and decoration. Ensure all your glued joints are completely dry and secure. You can add small details like window panes made from clear plastic or a tiny cross on the steeple. Consider painting or staining your church to give it a more realistic or aged appearance. You can even add miniature landscaping or figures around it for a complete scene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.